Hi guys, it's me Ezhekiel Toros, and I'm gonna tell you a story about goals and my ambitions. My life goal is to be a successful person in the future. I will work hard and diligently in pursuit of my dreams, take chance and learn from failures to continuously improve myself. I will maintain a balance between my personal life and career, and always try to make a positive contribution to the environment around me. With strong belief and determination, I'm sure I will achieve the success I dream of. I also have a dream to become a successful person. However, before starting the struggle to achieve that goal, I must first define my own definition of success. For me, success means being able to achieve the dreams and goals in life that I set with effort and hard work. In addition, success also means being able to benefit others. To achieve these goals, I must first determine what I want to achieve and what must be done to achieve it. After that, I have to make a plan and start concert action. I have to work hard and not give up easily even though I face obstacles. Besides, people who are already successful in my field, I study how they started and built their career. I also strengthen my skill and continue to learn new things that can improve my skills. However, being a successful person is not just a matter of career or finance. In conclusion, being a successful person is not easy. However, with strong determination, hard work, and right principles, we can achieve this goal. Always remember that true success is not only about wealth or position, but also about benefiting others and living a meaningful life.